Hey everyone, welcome back to Universal_Explorers 108. Today I'm excited to share some easy and affordable home decor ideas that can transform any space into your dream home. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about wall art. A blank wall can feel lifeless, but adding art can really bring it to life. Consider creating a gallery wall with a mix of frames and artwork. You can use prints, photos, or even your own paintings. Just lay them out on the floor first to find the perfect arrangement. Next, let's add some greenery. Indoor plants not only beautify your space, but also purify the air. If you're not sure which plants to choose, start with easy-to-care-for options like succulents or snake plants. They're low maintenance and come in so many varieties. Another quick way to refresh your decor is with throw pillows and blankets. Mix and match textures and patterns to add depth to your couch or bed. This is a budget-friendly way to change the vibe of a room seasonally. Now let's get creative with some DIY decor projects. For example, you can repurpose old jars as vases or candle holders. Or how about creating a custom shelf using wooden crates? These projects are fun and give your space a personal touch. Lighting is key to setting the mood. Consider adding string lights or fairy lights to create a cozy atmosphere. You can also change out lampshades or use candles to add warmth and character to your rooms. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of color. Whether you're painting an accent wall or using colorful decor items, colors can dramatically change the feel of your space. Experiment with complementary colors or go for a monochromatic look for a chic vibe. Thanks for watching. I hope these home decor ideas inspire you to refresh your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more decor tips. Share your favorite ideas in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.